This tutorial review will show you how to stream your Netflix on Discord with audio. If you are watching Netflix on your browser and if you want to stream your Netflix on Discord in browser, then you have to turn off your browser hardware acceleration. To do that, click on this three dot and go to settings. Click on this search box and type here hardware, and then you will get the hardware acceleration option here. Make sure to toggle this switch off to disable hardware acceleration, then relaunch your browser, then open your Netflix and play something here, then go to your Discord and open the server where you want to stream your Netflix. Then join a voice channel. Click on share your screen and select the Netflix tab or window. And to share your Netflix audio also, you have to check this option here and click on share. And after that, your Netflix will start to stream on Discord with Netflix audio. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.